Hello,
Hello.
how are you? I can't really hear you that well.
I am from India. My name is Vijay Yadav.
Jet. Wait, wait, what is that? I can't hear you.
I can hear you. You can hear me?
I think your headphones are like rubbing against your shirt.
Hello.
Yes, that's better. Hello. Good.
Uh,
Okay, so you said you're from India?
yeah.
Nice. And are you living there right now?
Yeah. I am living right now.
Okay. Or do you live in the UK?
Sorry.
So you live in India, you don't live in the United Kingdom, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been on Cambly?
I have been using Cambly just for a month, and before 2 years during lockdown, I was using Cambly for learning English.
Oh, good. Do you think it's helpful?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I started again because when I was not speaking with anybody, that time my English getting worse. So that's
Mhm.
why I decided to restart Cambly, and it is very helpful because here I can understand every English accent. Sometimes we can talk with UK, sometimes from UK, sometimes
Mhm.
from Australia. So yeah, I really enjoy it.
Nice. And what's the hardest accent to understand, in your opinion?
It's very hard to say because I never felt like that.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's pretty easy to understand any English, right?
Yeah, yeah. Any accent I can understand.
Okay, great. And why are you learning English? For your own personal want or your job, school?
First of all, I would say that I am learning for personality development because I am young person. So I do workout for being fit, and sometimes it feel that if I learn good English, then it will be icing on the cake. And if you have good knowledge of English, and if you are physically very fit, then you people will see that your personality is very good in people
Mhm.
perspective. That's why you can say I am learning English for personality development, and in future I can be anything, like I can be a teacher as well. So
Mhm.
first of all, I would learn English for personality development, and after that let's see what happens next.
Yeah, good for you. Would you ever travel with your job and come to the United States or go anywhere where they do speak English?
No, I never went to outside of my country. My country is very beautiful, and I love to be in my country. But I wish in future I may go any country like US, where I could talk to with a native speaker in front of. So
Yeah,
yeah, it will be pleasure.
good. Good for you. That's exciting. It is. I do feel like English is a great language to learn because it's so universal. A lot of people can speak English, whether it's their first or second language. So it's a good one to learn. What would you say is like for somebody like me? a good language to learn if I were to learn another language?
So it's very hard for me that comment on learning language, but you should
What
skip
would
this
you say?
question.
Yes, yes, I can repeat. Yes. What language do you think uh, is good for somebody to learn?
Yeah,
Is
obviously,
Spanish, German?
I don't know about any other languages, but sometime when I talk to native speakers, then they talk about Spanish. But
Mhm,
I would refer people to learn English because English is useful because if you wanna do job somewhere, then
mhm,
first of all they will take your interview, and if you do interview, then it will be totally in English. So by learning English, you can explore a lot of things worldwide,
yeah,
and it will help you in your livelihood when it
mhm,
comes to do a job. So yeah, I would prefer people that learn English language is very useful.
agreed. So do a lot of jobs where you live look for English speakers?
Yeah, and many interview and where they mentioned about US time. In Indian time, they were saying that 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. job.
Oh,
Yeah, so I guessed that we will have to talk with US person and any other person who living in abroad, because in
mhm,
India time I guess that, yeah,
mhm. What time is it for you right now?
here is time is quarter 9, I think.
So it's 8, 8:45?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is that right, or are you just saying that?
No, you can see in my watch.
I see.
I will have to open it.
Okay. Aha! Very good. Nice.
Yeah.
So
So
what do you do on your average day? What time do you wake up in the morning? Do you eat breakfast? Do you drink some coffee? What's your average day like?
yeah, I woke up at 7, and after that I used to dress, and after that I took some breakfast, and after that I go for walk a
Oh,
little bit.
good.
Yeah, and after that I do my usual work.
Nice. So are you big into exercising?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah?
Yeah, really.
Good. Good for you. What do you do for
Yeah,
exercise?
yeah. I like push up more and weightlifting, and
Mhm.
I take up dumbbell as well.
Okay. Nice. Do you just do that at home or do you go to the gym outside?
I do it at my home because in front of people I feel shy to do like this things.
Yeah, right. I get that. I prefer to do it at home as well. I get that.
Yeah,
Mhm.
because if you do at your home, then it's depends on your choice. You can be shirtless and you can do whatever you want to do. Otherwise, in the gym, if you want to take out your shirt, then You must feel shy. It seems to
Mhm.
me. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's why.
yeah, agreed. And what about walking? When you walk during the day, is there a park nearby or do you just walk in town?
Yeah, in rural area, there is a lot of thing for walking. Like there is a green field
Oh,
and
nice.
a good long road and a river as well. So you can feel very fresh air there.
Good.
And in the morning time, it's very cool and very, very good atmosphere you can feel in the morning.
Mhm. Good to get some
Yeah,
fresh air.
yeah,
Nice. Very good. Is it very hot, warm where you are, or what's the weather like?
yeah. A little bit colder this time, but day by day it's getting hotter.
Mhm. What's cold? What's cold to you? Do you have to wear a jacket outside, or can you wear no jacket and be okay?
We scroll without jacket right now because it's getting hotter day by day. So in morning and in the evening, you just feel little bit winter.
Okay. And do you ever get snow?
Not at all.
No?
Where I live, it's not snow ever.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then where in India do you live? Do you live more north, more south, east, west? Just like where in general?
Yeah, I live in northern part of India called Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. And where, I don't know, where is that? North, south, east, west?
North. I
North.
said,
Okay.
yeah.
Sorry,
I said,
sorry, I didn't hear.
yeah.
Gotcha. Well, I live in Michigan in the United States.
Wow.
You know
So
Michigan?
I don't know, but
Okay.
I every day talk with the US person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in Cambly, I
Mhm.
find mostly person from US and from UK.
Okay, cool. And then where in the US mostly?
Mostly, I forget name
Mhm.
those state, but remember.
Okay, no problem. And
Yeah,
then here's my last question for you, another question. If you could go anywhere in the world on vacation, holiday, where would you go first?
first of all, I would go to your country, US, because I heard a lots of thing about your country.
Good or bad?
Good.
Oh, good. Good, good.
Yeah,
So that would be on the top of your list?
yeah. US is my top. There is a lots of countries in my bucket list, but I
Mhm.
prefer US first.
Nice. Very cool. Well, that's exciting. We look forward to having you here. Can't wait for you to
Yeah,
come.
I
Mhm.
can come very short in very short time. So that's why I do a lot of hard work for
Mhm.
doing something big in my life, and
Mhm.
I have a lot of choice in my mind, but it may take time.
Right.
But I wish throughout my life I must visit US on.
Good. Good. That's a good goal, right? We do have to work hard to do these things. I agree. Lots of
Yeah.
hard work. But it's good to set goals. Do you have any plans in the near future? Any fun things going on in your life?
Yeah, I have lots of goals, but every goal is related to speaking English.
Mhm.
That's why I
Good.
working hard for speaking.
Good. Well, I think you are on a good path. You sound so far so good to me. Practice makes perfect. So good job.
Thank you. So, are you giving cold comfort? Are you really saying that?
No, I'm really saying that. I'm really saying